guys, today it is Monday, August 7th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. Now, I am currently in the car, as you can tell, but don't worry, I'm not driving, so I'm still safe. This stuff is amazing. I've been drinking it for just over 2 months, and it has cleared up my acne, and it's now helping me sleep at 10, 11, or 12 o'clock at night. Well, 12 in the morning, but you know what I mean. It's helping me sleep no later than 12 o'clock. And it helps me sleep through the night. I have not been able to do that since I was 11 years old, and now I'm 30. So it took from the age of 11 to 30 to find something that actually does help me sleep. Well, there is one other thing, but I'm not going to get into that. But this stuff is incredible. It's for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. 90% of the serotonin in your body is produced in your gut, and 70% of the dopamine in your body is also produced in your gut. And this stuff gives me a ton of motivation and determination, and it gives me just the right amount of energy, and it keeps me stable and balanced.